Welcome back. We're about to take the biggest step in our developer careers now. This is by far my favorite thing to teach, and I cannot wait to get started. But before I do, I want you to know one thing. When I first started learning JavaScript, it was the hardest thing to get. I remember feeling confused and frustrated along the way. And to be honest, if this is your first time learning a programming language, you'll have those moments. I'm here to tell you to stick through it. Just like learning any language, with enough time and practice, you can become fluent. Now, unlike human language though, you don't have to remember as many words and sentence structure. So you will get there, I promise you this. Now, don't just watch the videos in this section and fly through the content. Really work on the exercises I give you at the end of the videos and make sure you understand each topic. Finally, this section will teach you the basics of JavaScript. It will seem very strange and detached sometimes from HTML and CSS. As a matter of fact, we won't be touching HTML and CSS very much. However, in the next section, I will show you how our newfound knowledge of JavaScript can now be connected to our HTML and CSS websites. This is when the real magic happens. So stay strong, stay determined. You'll get there in due time. Let's get started, shall we? See you in the next one. Bye-bye.